Dastan Mumal Rano. It was definitely a magical show in totality, with all possible conventionalities observed meticulously. A palace surrounded by high walls on the patterns of fort, with an exclusive garden, doled with tall trees and attractive roses, was built at high cost. It had a chainwork of labyrinths, intercepted by shades of water, some fake and some real. Unless guided, it was extremely difficult for visitors to reach the palace, particularly when on the way he had to cross a highly turbid pond by means of an unsteady bridge and then pass the fake, though posted like sentinels. Higher up in the reception hall were provided divans filled with false bottoms, beneath which yawned murderous wells. A trap to liquidate the visitors who could advance thus far to Mumal. This was in brief the exhibition of illusions put up by Princess Momal, daughter of Raja Nand Gujar of Mirpur Mathelo in Sindh. With the aid of her sisters Sumer and 5 other at Ludano in Jaisalmer, India in 14th century AD. The purpose in the background was to attract rich visitors for the hand of Momal, who was known for her extraordinary beauty. Deprive them of their wealth and also possibly to finish off the more venturesome ones. but Rano rejected it.
राणल तो बिन रात, 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 राणल तो बिन रात। मुखे बैठे बरह लगे व्या, मुखे बैठे बरह लगे व्या। राणल तो बिन रात, राणल तो बिन रात, राणल तो बिन रात, राणल तो बिन रात। कमल चुड़ी जैसे कागजा, कमल चुड़ी जैसे कागजा। कमल चुड़ी जैसे कागजा, कमल चुड़ी जैसे कागजा। हो फिर हपुटी फिर भात में आ, हो फिर हपुटी फिर भात में आ। मुखे बैठे बरह लगे व्या, मुखे बैठे बरह लगे व्या। राणल तो बिन रात, राणल तो बिन रात।
Finding no other alternative, Mumal went to Umakot, incognito as a merchant. And occupied a house near that of Rano. She cultivated acquaintance with him. One day, while playing chess with him, Mumal exposed her arm and the mole on it. Rano recognized her instantaneously, but refusing to be moved by her entreaties, he withdrew from her company. Mumal tried her best to appease him, but Rano ignored her completely. Rano, I'm lightening lamps on your way to come. Out of desperation, she got a big stick of fuel, made in front of her house. And having set it on fire, she jumped in it. Rano came to know of this development. He rushed to the site at once, but finding Mumal already in flames, he joined her to be consumed in each other's company.